Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to obtain the code from WhatsApp from a different method than your cell phone. So probably you know that if you want to go into your WhatsApp and to log in, you will have to give your number and then they are going to send you a message with a code and then you're going to type it again and then you're going to be inside of WhatsApp. So if that's not your position, perhaps you want to receive that from your email. So what you have to do is to get into this website. I just write WhatsApp support and also add the language if you want. And then in the first link, you're going to be able to contact WhatsApp. So here you're going to let your number, your email address to confirm your email address. How do you use WhatsApp? I mean, if Android or iPhone or whatsoever. And lastly, but not less important, your message. So there you're going to write that a long time ago you had a number, but now you are not going to be able to receive the code from that number, but you want to recover your WhatsApp. So if it's possible to receive that code in a different way, perhaps your email or any other option they have. And then you're going to send it in the next step, and always you can download this process if you want to have like a check. So that's the first option. Obviously, if you need to use your WhatsApp right now, what you can do is go to your Play Store and write virtual number. There are different apps that are going to make like a simulation of a cell phone number, and then you're going to receive a number, and when you are going to try to get into WhatsApp, you're going to write that number and then you're going to receive a new code, and obviously that's the fastest solution at all. I hope you can get that verification code in your email.